Welcome back, friends. I'm Lily, your guide through the incredible world of precision. Today, we're not just exploring what precision is, we're traveling through its past, understanding its presence, and glimpsing into its future. So let's embark on this precise adventure together. From the ancient Egyptians aligning the pyramids with astonishing accuracy to the meticulous craftsmanship of Renaissance clockmakers, precision has always been a cornerstone of human progress. Did you know the Antikythera mechanism, often considered the world's first analog computer, used precise gears over 2,000 years ago to predict astronomical positions? But precision isn't just about being exact, it's also about consistency. Here's where precision and accuracy sometimes take separate paths. Imagine aiming arrows at a target. Precision is hitting the same spot over and over, while accuracy is hitting the bullseye. Both are vital, but they serve different purposes. In the realms of science and technology, the quest for precision has led to breakthroughs like GPS systems that can pinpoint your location to within a few feet, and medical devices that deliver treatments with microscopic accuracy. And now, for another fun fact. The quest for precision doesn't stop with earthly matters. The Event Horizon Telescope, a network of telescopes across the globe, had to synchronize with extreme precision to capture the first image of a black hole's event horizon in 2019. This feat required precision timing better than a millionth of a second. As we look to the future, precision will play a pivotal role in innovations like quantum computing, where the precise control of quantum bits will open up new frontiers in computing power, and in space exploration, where precise measurements can mean the difference between landing on a distant planet or missing it by millions of miles. Indeed, the journey of precision is far from over. It challenges us to think bigger, work finer, and dream wider. As we've seen from ancient tools to futuristic technologies, precision is more than a measure. It's a testament to our relentless pursuit of perfection. Thank you for joining me on this fascinating journey. Together, we've seen how precision shapes our past, defines our present, and imagines our future. Stay curious, explore boldly, and remember, every small precision today can lead to a monumental discovery tomorrow.